In this video, I will show you how you can export the result of the keyword clustering to Excel. To do that, it's quite simple. Click on the button Download Report and then save the Excel file to your desktop. Let's have a look at the results of this report. So as you can see, there are several tabs in this report. The most important one is the tab Topic Cluster. Here, basically, you have all the information that you can also see in the interface. Here you have the topic cluster, so the main topic, its category here. Here you have all the related keywords for this topic cluster, the size, so how many keywords you can find in the cluster. The main keyword volume, so the volume of the main keyword. Aggregated volume, here the sum of the volume of every keyword inside the cluster. Your average position for your best URL, that is here. And also, if you selected one of the cluster as a favorite in the interface, you will see it through here. You have also the average PR. PR is page rank. It's basically the domain authority in thruuu. Here you have the intent. And also here you have all the SERP feature and how dominant they are within a cluster. So here, for instance, you can see that AIO feature is displayed 100%. So it means that every keyword in this cluster has an AI overview. The same for video, image feature, local pack, feature snippet. People also ask related searches, forum feature. So even though I prefer the UI, this view is quite cool, or this report is quite cool. If you want to quickly set some priority, you can play with different data like your average position, the average PR, the intent, and also the SERP feature to define some priority. So up to you to define what kind of metric are important for you. But it's easier maybe to define which cluster to focus on, and then you can go back to the interface and click on the Analyze button to deep dive into each topic. The next tab, Topic Cluster versus Keyword, is more or less the same view, but here you can see, for instance, you have one line, one keyword. So here you have the cluster, what is marketing automation, and you can see all the keywords that are inside this cluster. The competitor will list all the competitors, all the domain that has been found within the list of keywords that you uploaded initially, the page rank of the domain, the number of cluster where this domain is visible, and as well the number of keywords where this domain is in the top 10. You have your list of keywords, which is the initial input that you downloaded into thruuu. Here you have also all the questions, so the PAA, and they're organized by cluster. So you can see for each cluster what are the PAA. And the next view is quite cool as well, because you have all the PAA. Here you don't really see from which cluster they belong to, but you can see how many times they are displayed within the whole set of keywords. So for instance, you can see that this question is quite important, 13 times. But also what I often do is that when I'm looking for additional IDs or questions or long tail, I do a first report with thruuu, and then I extract all the PAA and I add it to my initial list of keywords. So like this, you can really extend your initial list of keywords with long tail questions that are quite helpful if you want to monitor your brand visibility in AI search. Finally, the related searches. Also for every keyword, thruuu is extracting related searches, and you can find them here. So you see that you have a lot of data. Just as an information, my initial list of keywords was long like this, 400 keywords, 405 or 404 in fact. And then thruuu extracted as well, like you see, like a lot of PAA, more than 1,000, and related searches, I guess there is even more, more than 2,000, I guess. So you can see from an initial list of 400 keywords, you are able also with this report to get additional prompts, long tail questions, and in the end you finish with something like 3,000, 4,000 keywords. So now you know everything about the keyword clustering report. I invite you to watch the next video. I will show you how you can use this report to define a prioritization framework.